Hello and welcome to another video of our channel where we will be discussing the best ways ever to make money online in 2022. Today we will be sharing the 5 best ways to make money online without paying anything. So as we know all, today's digital world is full of surprises and opportunities where the internet is one of the highlights of the digital age. Creating your vision and working towards it will help pave the way to success. Want to make fast money without adding your money? You are at the right place. There are many lucrative opportunities that you can pick to make some quick cash. Hold your horses. This video will let you know 5 best ways to make money online without paying anything effectively. Private tutoring has always played a vital role in teaching students, helping them prepare for exams and achieve good grades. Most parents of today's generation have opted for tutoring, whether their children are smart or failing. This means that every student today needs a tutor. So why not become a mentor and take advantage of the opportunity to make some big bucks? Trust us, if you have good communication skills, reliable executive resources, and expertise in cutting-edge study techniques and theories, private tutoring is the best option for earning a good income while serving your community. Also, you must have a decent educational level that you are good to go for. On our channel, please watch this amazing video to learn more about teaching online and what are the websites that pay the best. This is one of the most famous and easy options to make money online without paying anything at your comfort. It's just that you should know some golden rules of writing content, which includes knowing your audience comprehensively and writing short and error-free sentences. So to excel in this domain, you would have to have your identity as a freelance writer and prove to brands why they should hire you as a writer to write a piece of content for their website and blogs. Multiple sites can enhance your skills if you are a true beginner and want to start your blogger journey, including ProBlogger, Writer Access, Blogging Pro, Guru.com, Freelancer.in, and many others to start your freelance writer journey. Another way of availing of opportunities in the content writing journey is creating credibility on LinkedIn, Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, etc. to get a chance to kickstart your writing career. The first revenue stream you'll likely explore is ads. Whether you want to earn money on YouTube without creating videos or as a content creator, joining the YouTube Partner Program and setting up monetization is a vital step. You'll have to agree to follow all of YouTube's monetization policies and live in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. Then you can apply for monetization once you've hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past year. You can make anything and become famous on YouTube as long as you're creative and passionate about what you're doing. People watch a wide variety of videos on YouTube. The IT industry has created a rigorous boom in India in the past decades. And now, due to the COVID pandemic, work ethics and business patterns are changing. The employees/salaried individuals can now adopt the work-from-home culture and provide their services exclusively from home. Medium and large businesses often spend a large sum of money on deploying proficient app developers. They know the potential time spent by more than half of the population is on smartphones, and one of the best ways to expand the market and audience reach is to develop efficient apps aiding in their business. That's why companies show their inclination to pay a lot of money to efficient developers. Being one of the app developers can let you earn money online without paying anything, up to $100 per hour. Video editing isn't for everyone. It's not because you need a studio to be a successful video editor or because you need expensive equipment/tools to edit videos. You should be willing and interested in mastering your skills in this profession, including lighting, directing, and enhancing video with artistic filters to give audiences a taste of what it takes to make a film. Because video editing is more than just cutting footage. Video Editor is a specialized professional course offered by many reputable institutions in your country. But because of your passion for interests and hobbies, you can also start it as a part-time job. All you need is a powerful laptop, a graphics card, a few GB of RAM, decent video editing software/tools, and some creative skills. So that brings us to the end of today's video. Now, if you found the content useful, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel to help us obtain more subscribers and weekly stuff like this. Stay tuned on our YouTube channel. We will be releasing the second part of other 5 best ways to make money online without paying anything within 2 days from now. Thank you for viewing, and until the next video, goodbye.